All right, what's going on, everybody? We are back on the Enebo Racing channel here. We got a video today that nothing too crazy. What we're going to be doing is removing some decals that I've had on my back window since I got the car, honestly. And then we're going to be replacing them with a little bit more modern style stickers, if you will. I've been collecting them, and finally I've got a few that I really do want to put on the car. So we're just going to be kind of filming that, showing you how I do that. Let's take a look. So here's my current setup. Aussie clothing. Shout out Aussie. Everybody, if you know, you know. I don't need to explain much further. Of course, definitely going to keep repping the late model resto. Shout out to Nick. That sticker is fire. I've had it on there for, probably 5 years or something. It's finally starting to peel. Gonna be taking that one off. Northwest Mustang Club. I do like that just because it does fit the black and white scheme. So we're gonna keep on that. These are the two big ones I think I'm gonna part ways with. You know, Oregon, obviously, alumni baby, Go Ducks. And the Patriots. I'm a huge Patriots fan, so that's gonna be sad to go. But I think I'm just gonna switch up the look a little bit, get the sports off of the car, and get some more car stuff in. This Enebo disc golf, you know, I do like it, but I do want to make room for some bigger stickers, for some more automotive related stickers. So I think I'm going to take this one off. Shout out Eugene area Mustangs, my OG Mustang group, first one I've ever been in. I love this sticker. I'm going to keep it. ARP Racing Products, that's going to be a keeper. Full melt 6-star. If you know, you know. Some people might think it's melting tires, but the real ones know. Probably not. Yeah, so let's see here. So here is the stickers that I was thinking of putting on. Got a Holly Terminator X sticker. Of course, Big Motion Raceworks. Got the 50 Gang. Think about throwing that one on. Then we got the wheelies and wind lights. Not sure if this is a window style or maybe under the hood, but I do like it. Shout out Jack Stan Jimmy. And got the old classic Cleater logo. That one's pretty cool. Then we got the Ready to Rock RTR Mustang sticker. So yeah, I'm not sure where exactly these are all gonna go, or you know what's all gonna happen. But I was thinking the Motion Raceworks is a big one. It might take the place of the Enebo disc golf if I can get it. Find a nice spot for it. That might be pretty sick. It's kind of got the red going on. That might be a good candidate. But I know that these RTR, I might stack that one there. 50 Gang, it being a circle one, might look cool right above there. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna play around with it, get these old stickers off first, and then we'll kind of see what exactly is gonna look good. But we're just gonna be using a fresh razor blade. Any residual should come off with some rubbing alcohol. Otherwise, we'll figure something out. But otherwise, yeah, I'm just gonna get started taking off the stickers that I know I'm taking off. I think it's gonna be this one, Patriots, Oregon sticker, and then the disc golf sticker. But yeah, we'll get started here. All right, got the decals off. Came off nice and easy with that fresh razor blade. So now we just got to figure out where and which stickers we want to put on here. Like I was saying, I think I like that. Yeah, I do think that I like that. And then this 50 Gang will go above it. Something like that. Anyway, once I figured out, we'll come back and we'll put these babies on. All right, we're gonna be taking some more stickers off. Let me show you what we got. So the more I'm looking at it, I ended up taking off the LMR sticker on that side as well. As much as I didn't want to take this one off, I think it's the end of an era, you know. Shout out Eugene area Mustangs, but I do want the Motion Raceworks sticker on here. And then we'll put the Terminator X sticker over here. So hopefully it turns out all right. I think it will. But yeah, looking good. We got almost all of my original stickers off. Almost all of them. These ones have been on quite a while, but let's go ahead and get this Motion Raceworks sticker mounted right over here. That should start off the stack, and then this one right there. I think that should look good, so I'm gonna run with it. And then on this side, we'll keep it black and white. We'll go RTR above the Aussie clothing, and then we'll do the 50 gang right underneath that. So should look good. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so first glance, you know, looking pretty good. This Motion Raceworks sticker, I think is pretty cheap because I was trying to rub out an air bubble here and it started to rub the black off the sticker. So not sure how long that one's gonna last. But on this side, we got the black and white theme going hard. If you really stare at it, you can see that they're not all perfectly in line like I was hoping. I think if I were to have put a strip of tape, it would have at least gave me a straight line to work with. Probably will do that next time, but you know, for eyeballing it, I kind of just sent it, and you know, it ain't perfect, but it's what we're gonna run with. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We got more stuff coming down the pipeline here, so we're just gonna keep this content rolling. As always, stay ripping.